Hello everyone, let's prevent the solution of this exponential equation, which is 4 to power t minus 2. This is equal to 40. So what is the value of t? So if it is your first time you come across my videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. So we have 4 to power t subtract 2. This is equal to 40. Now 4 to power t minus 2, this is actually in the form of 8 to power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to power n divided by 8 to power m. So applying this exponent property, we'll have 4 to power t divided by 4 to power 2. This is equal to 40. So 40 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So if you cross multiply here, we'll have 4 raised to power t. This is equal to 4 to power 2 multiplying by 40. So the next step here, to solve for the value of t, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So you'll have log 4 to power t, this is equal to log 4 to power 2 times 40. So the next step here, log 4 to power t, this is in the form of log a to power n, which you can express as n log a. Okay, so applying this power rule property of logarithm, you find that log 4 to power t becomes t log 4. This is equal to log 4 squared times 40. Let's divide both sides by log 4. Simplify here, log 4 and log 4 simplifies, so that we'll have t is equal to log. This is 4 squared times 40. So let's divide both sides by log. Okay, we have log 4 squared times 40 divided by log 4. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have t is equal to log 4 squared divided by log 4 plus log 40 divided by log 4. So log 4 to power 2, okay, applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 40 divided by log 4. So let's simplify here log 4 and log 4, so that we'll have t is equal to 2 plus log 40 divided by log 4. So the next step here, we can express 40 basically as 8 multiplied by 5. And we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So let's substitute this. We'll have t is equal to 2 plus log 8 multiplied by 5. All this divided by log 4, which is 2 to power 2. The next step here, we'll have t is equal to 2 plus, now log 8 times 5, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So let's apply this logarithm property, so that now t is equal to 2 plus, now here we'll have log 8 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now we have t is equal to 2 plus log 8 divided by log 2 squared plus log 5 divided by log 2 squared. Now this means we have t is equal to 2 plus log 8 can be expressed as log 2 to power 3. If you say 2 to power 3 is the same thing as 8 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now the next step here, we'll have t is equal to 2 plus log 2 to power 3, applying the power rule property, this becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, this is the same thing as 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, this can be expressed as 2 log 2. So let's simplify here log 2 and log 2, so that now the value of t is equal to 2 plus, this is 3 over 2, okay, plus, now here we have log 5 divided by 2 log 2, okay. So let's proceed from here. So t is equal to 2 plus 3 over 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2, and therefore t is equal to 2 plus 3 over 2, this is the same thing as 7 over 2, plus, this is half. Now log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property, so that now t is basically equal to 7 over 2 plus half log 5 to base 2, okay. So this is the value of t. This is the value of t. So let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 4 to power t subtract 2, this should give us a value of 40. Now you find that 4 to power t minus 2, this is in the form of 8 to power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to power n divided by 8 to power m, okay? So this means that now we have 4 to power t divided by 4 squared, this should give us a value of 40. Let's substitute the value of t here. So we'll have 4 to power, t is 7 over 2, plus a half log 5 to base 2, this divided by 4 squared, which is 16, this should give us a value of 40. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have 4 to power t divided by 4 squared, this should give us a value of 40. Let's substitute the value of t here. So we'll have 4 to power, this is 7 over 2, plus a half log 5 to base 2, all this divided by 4 squared, which is actually 16, this should give us a value of 40. Now the next step here, let's write this 4 basically as 2 to power 2. So substituting this, we'll have 2 to power 2 multiplied by 7 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, all this divided by 16, this should give us a value of 40. Now let's simplify here. Let's simplify this so that we'll have 2 to power 7 plus log 5 to base 2, this divided by 16, this should give us a value of 40. The next step here, we find that 2 to power 7 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Now the next step, we'll have 2 to power 7 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2 divided by 16, this should give us a value of 40. Now from here, we have that 2 to power 7, this is essentially equal to 128. So we have now 2 to power 7, this is equal to 128. So let's substitute this. In this case, we'll have 128 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2, all this divided by 16, this should give us a value of 40. The next step here, we find that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is essentially in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is equal to a. So that means that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this should give us a value of 5. So let's substitute this value of 5. So here we'll have 128 multiplied by 5 divided by 16, this should give us a value of 40. So let's simplify here. So if you simplify 128 by 16 here, by 16, 1, by 16 here, this is actually equal to 8. And then if you say 8 times 5, this is essentially equal to 40, which is equal to 40. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of t, which is 7 over 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.